Hello, this is Vacay with KB coming to you live from TRS Coral in Costa Mujeres, Mexico. And I just wanted to show you my room. I am staying in a loft suite, which is a two-story room. You have a living room, a living area in the bottom. Floor, as well as a half bath that I'm about to show you, and then you have your bedroom option upstairs. Okay, so let me take you through the room. So as soon as you walk into the loft suite to the right, you have a half bath. So this is definitely helpful if you are with a large party and you may want to have people stop by your room. They don't have to use your restroom. You have a half bath here that they can use. I will say that there is plenty, and I mean plenty of storage space in this room, so you will never be without space for luggage. Here's an area for you to place your luggage if necessary, and here's some more storage space as well. And then coming into the living area, you have your mini bar area here. And you have an espresso, your mixed up coffee. You also have your items for your coffee. You do have a wine, like a wine fridge here, but there is a cost for wine. And here is the menu here. Take a quick glance at that. That's me. And here is your stocked mini bar. Has some nuts. There was a Snickers bar here, but I actually took that upstairs. And now we're coming into the living room area. And you have a nice bar here where you can entertain. It's very, very nice. And you do get up to 4 liquor bottles here. They only give them to you one at a time, but you can request those things, your liquors, with your butler. And you have a TV here as well. And here is the rest of your living quarters on the first level, which is very, very nice. So you definitely have space if you want to have your friends come over. And the best part is going to be your balcony. Take a look at this. This is absolutely beautiful. Jacuzzi tub. This is definitely big enough to have like 2 to 3 people in it. We have another space for seating here, as well as this table. And check out this view. There's the pool area there, and the beach beyond. Gorgeous resort. Okay, one last look outside. And we will make our way back indoors. Another look. So now we're going to head upstairs. And this is your bedroom area. Look how gorgeous that is. Some more space for your luggage. You choose to bring it upstairs. You have another mini fridge up here. It did have some items, but I actually drunk the water that was up here. Some space for your items, whatever it may be. Have that here. And they don't have an ironing board, but they do have a steamer, and it's actually worked very well. Another big screen TV. Desk area and chair. Check out another view or angle of your bedroom. And this loft suite does come with the double beds. So if you're traveling with your girlfriends, you can request a double bed. So it's a king and also queen bed. 2 doubles, I'm sorry. Now this doesn't open up, but you do have a view of your balcony downstairs. How gorgeous that is. So you still get a great view. And you have plenty of lighting and plugs for your items here. And you have your reading lights, as you can see here. And your other lights, and again, some just here. A chair and a light. And again, you'll never go without storage. There's so much storage in this unit. Plenty of space. Here's your safe and some more storage. And this actually closes off. So if you are with your partner, or if you're traveling with friends or whatever, you can close off your bathroom to the bedroom. Here's a full lift mirror. Some more storage. Some more storage space. You have your double sink. Very nice. Rack for your towels, extra towels, toiletries, some extra amenities here. And check out this tub here. Look how beautiful that is. I'm definitely going to utilize this before I leave. Water closet. And this is the shower area. It's very, very nice. Spacious. You have your overhead ring shower head, and then you also have your handheld shower head. And you also have some amenities in here as well, as far as your shampoo, conditioner, and some body gel. And you also have a handrail if necessary. But again, very, very nice. So again, this is Keisha with Vacay with KB, and I'm coming to you from TRS Coral in Costa Mujeres, Mexico. And I'm just going to give you one last view of the room. All right, take care.